Now my assistant is opening the box. Yes, on va continue. All the way. Be careful, Okay, what should we have in? Yes, it is big. Big. We have the machine. I don't know if I have to remove all the plastic now, but wow, this is huge. We have all accessories and the head here. So this is this model. Start system and the brand in the front. HANTENCNC. Wow, this is just big. I wouldn't expect that big, to be honest, but it's fine. This is what I got from the delivery. Thank you again, Claire, for this machine.